Mom, I need to ask you a question, but I'm going to put you on speaker. Is that okay? I'm just calling to find out if it's okay if I share your cheesecake recipe with the Eyewitness News viewers, with the world. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I am.
Okay, all right. You heard it here. She said she's okay with it. I'm allowed to share with you the coveted Rosary O'Rourke cheesecake recipe. So this is what you need. 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of cream cheese, cup and 2 tablespoons sugar, which will be explained, sour cream, 1 pint, a springform pan, and my savior, the KitchenAid mixer. Let's hot to it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 4 cracked eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Add 1 cup of sugar. And now you add cheese. Now, once everything is all whipped up, and I probably let that sit in there for at least 5 minutes, you take it and you're going to put it into your springform pan, and the springform pan sprayed with some kind of cooking spray, and then we're going to take this and we're going to pour it into that. To make the topping, you need 1 pint of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar. When the topping is done, you pour the topping over the cheesecake. Then bring it back over to the oven. That's been heated up to 400 degrees for about 12 more